In today's video, I'm talking about the emotional roots of addiction, why we get addicted in the first place. So first off, you have to remember that if you are caught in a pattern of addictive behaviors, there's nothing fundamentally wrong with you, and you do not need to be fixed. You're not broken. The addictive behavior is an attempt to self-medicate maybe painful emotions, unresolved trauma, or chronic stress. In other words, a dysregulated nervous system. And emotional freedom techniques is a powerful tool that can absolutely help you to begin to regulate your nervous system and help you to go deeper than the surface, to go to the roots of why the problem is there, why it's there in the first place, and how to resolve the parts of you that are calling for attention, that need to feel safe, that need to be expressed in a healthy way. So, if you are turning to food to numb yourself, or substances, or scrolling, or shopping, or any of those behaviors, you need to accept yourself with some compassion and some curiosity about what is really going on. So in today's video, I'm going to guide you in a tapping sequence that will help you to accept where you're at and to start to look a little deeper as to what are the root causes of why you have cultivated this addiction in the first place, and maybe what is keeping it going. So if you are struggling with addictive behavior, then I invite you to follow along with me. We begin on the side of the hand. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Even though I've been caught in this pattern of addictive behavior, trying to escape my pain and run away from myself, today I choose to accept myself with love and compassion. Even though I've been in this pattern of addictive behaviors, today I accept myself with love and compassion. Even though I've been avoiding my pain and running away from myself with addictive behaviors, today I choose to accept myself with love and compassion. And if any of those words that I said don't totally land with you, you can change them out to something that feels more in alignment. The objective is we want to address where you're at with acceptance. And take a deep breath in and let it go. This habit of turning to addictive behavior, I'm curious about what it is I'm running away from. And even though I've been caught in this habit and pattern, today I'm choosing to take a deeper look. I'm open and curious about what is really driving the addictive pattern. What is it that I'm avoiding? Today I'm open to looking at it with compassion and curiosity. So even though I've been running away from my pain, myself, today I am more accepting of myself with compassion. And even though I've been caught in this struggle of addictive behaviors, today I'm choosing to accept myself. Breathing in and letting go. I'm open to looking a little deeper. What is driving this need to run away from my feelings, my thoughts, my experiences? I'm choosing to have more compassion and curiosity about this. Today, I'm choosing to take a gentler approach and to get to the roots of why I have this drive to act out in addictive behaviors. And I'm open and curious about what is really beneath the addictive behaviors. Today, I choose to have some love and compassion for myself, acceptance, release the need to blame and shame. Today, I'm willing to take a deeper look. Take a breath in and let it go. Wouldn't it be nice to address the real cause of what has me running to addictive behavior? Wouldn't it be nice to start to bring healing to the emotional pain and unresolved trauma and chronic stress that I've been holding in my system? Wouldn't it be nice to heal at the root? And today I'm open and curious about what is driving this addictive behavior. And I'm open and curious to begin addressing the parts of me that need healing. I choose to accept myself with love and compassion, no matter how I'm showing up. And as I express more love and compassion for myself, it'll be safer and safer to take a deeper look. Bring your hands to your heart. Take a deep breath in and let it go. This may have stirred up some thoughts, feelings, memories. I encourage you to journal about this. Notice, what are the deeper drivers that have you running to medicate? What are the deeper drivers that are keeping you in this pattern? The more you shame and blame yourself and beat yourself up, the deeper you're going to drive yourself into destructive behaviors. Curiosity and compassion are essential elements to healing. So as you bring more attention and more awareness and more compassion to this situation, the easier it will be to dive in a little deeper and address the roots of why this is happening in the first place. If you want some support, go ahead and book a free consultation with me. I'd be happy to chat with you to see if we're a good match and can go deeper into helping you release the emotional pain, the deeper roots that are keeping you in destructive patterns. Your health and your happiness matter. And as always, take good care of yourself. Bye now.